mula sa Ginoo, mula sa ating Panginoon, gawa ng kamay ng mga tao na naniniwala at taninindigan para sa Diyos. Maraming salamat! Mabuhay ang Seventh-day Adventist!
A round of applause to Senator Amy Marcos. We do extend our utmost gratitude for her giving her time and gracing us with her presence here in this grand momentous event. Once again, a round of applause, please. With this, we would like to request Pastor Mamerto Gingging to offer a special prayer to the Honorable Senator.
Madam Senator, our intangible gift to you will come in a form of prayer. I'd like to request our ordained ministers from Southern Asia Pacific Division to please come and let us offer a special word of prayer for